Let's have it. Right. Yeah. It's gonna be a punk rock Christmas this year. Even Santa's gonna be a Sex Pistol for a day. All those Christmas trees swinging safety pins from their leaves. It's gonna be a punk rock Christmas this year. Farrah Fawcett will change her hairstyle for a day. The Queen will sing Anarchy in the UK. And old Mick Jagger will adopt the Strangler swagger. Yeah, 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 baby. Big Whitey will take up the electric guitar. And Johnny Ramone will get a sled for a car. There's a group called The Damned, they say, who play the Four Horsemen in a play. In a play. In a play. It's gonna be a punk rock Christmas this year. Even Santa's gonna be a Sex Pistol for a day. All those Christmas trees swinging safety pins from their leaves. It's gonna be a punk rock Christmas this year.
What do you want for Christmas, little boy?
I want a down milk tea with any of the hot rods on the back. Want a color TV so I can kick it in. I want an ace guitar, a subscription to Punk Magazine.
What else do you want for Christmas, little boy?
I want 10 copies of God Save the Queen with a picture sleeve.
With a picture sleeve?
Yeah, with a picture sleeve.
If you're a good little boy, your wish will come true.
Yeah, then I bloody well better. We gonna give you right, a punk rock Christmas this year. I'm gonna give you a nice sweater all with the shreds. Yeah, let Mom and Dad she get the safety pins for the